Hi everyone, welcome back to the AI language. Today we are diving into an exciting concept in agentic reasoning design patterns, and that's called reflection. So this is a process by which an AI agent or multiple agents in a multi-agent collaboration critically evaluate their outputs, identify potential improvements, and iteratively refine the solution to produce an optimized output version. We have three main players: a user, a coder agent like an LLM, and a reviewer agent, which is another AI or LLM instance. So you start with a start prompt, which is basically an instruction that you might give to the AI. It's also called a single shot prompt, where you ask the coder agent to write code for a certain task. And the coder agent is going to produce that output from start to finish in one go without any check on it. It might do a pretty good job on whatever task you provided, but there are certain improvements that you can do to it. This is what you typically would do in a chat application when you ask the application to write code for, let's say, a certain task, and you get a single output which you directly use, which is this. So let's say this output is a definition of a function called do task, which takes an input x, and this def do task function is what you get as the output. This is what we call the baseline output, or the initial implementation given to you by the coder agent. Now this is where reflection comes in, and it ensures that the coder agent creates the code which is not left unchecked. So there's something called a reflection prompt that either the user might provide, or it might be fixed into the framework, which is automatically passed on to the reviewer agent along with the output from the coder agent. So the reflection prompt might look like, here's the code intended for task, and then you provide that particular code given by the coder agent, and then you prompt the reviewer to check the code carefully for correctness, etc. Now here's where the back and forth reflection loop would start between the reviewer agent providing issues that need to be fixed. Like, for example, there's a bug on this particular line and you can fix it by doing so and so. The coder agent would then receive this response from the reviewer agent and provide a revised code, which is, let's say, version 2 of the same code. Then the reviewer agent would again check that particular code and maybe suggest another change because that revised code failed a unit test, and ask it to change that particular code in a certain way. Then the coder agent would again produce a revised version, let's say version 3, and the reviewer agent would finally then say that there's no further changes needed and the code is ready, or it might even provide more changes. Finally, this particular revised version which the reviewer agent has passed is provided as the output to our user over here, who sees this as a better and optimized version of their code compared to the baseline output provided over here. And this is pretty fun in a way that you can actually try it yourself using any kind of chat application like Claude or ChatGPT that you might be using. If you're used to asking that particular application for any kind of outputs, you can actually try to enter manually a reflection prompt to ask it to improve it, and then check the output for yourself. And that's how reflection transforms agentic reasoning into a powerful tool for continuous improvement. If you're excited about AI and design patterns as we are, please hit the like button and subscribe for more. Don't forget to comment below with your thoughts or questions, and see you in the next video around AI agents and further development.